In this video, we will learn how to change the measurement units from inches to centimeters in Microsoft Word. If you're using Word's ruler or grid lines to adjust margins and layout, you may want to change the default unit of measurement. Word allows you to switch between inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, or pickers, depending on your preference. Here's how to change the units. First, click the File tab in the ribbon. Then, select Options from the sidebar. In the Word Options dialog box, click Advance from the list on the left. Scroll down to the Display section on the right. Next to Show Measurements in Units of, open the drop-down menu. Choose your preferred unit of measurement. In this example, we'll select cm. Click OK to apply the change. That's it. You've successfully updated the measurement units in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a like. New to our channel? Subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more tutorials to master Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.